So I usually try a lot of stuff while traveling to eat. But this time, I didn't have the chance of capturing a lot, but I'm going to give you 3 meals at least which I captured while traveling in some villages in east of the Democratic Republic of Congo. And these might be some of the food which are mostly eaten in Congo. Let's go. Kanyabayonga, 23rd September 2021. Before I show you a very strange thing which I ate here, the very first thing which I actually ate was something just simple and cool. Which is that I had fufu with goat meat in some very good soup. I don't know if it's soup or curry, whatever you call it, but in Swahili and Goma we usually say soup. And some vegetables very well cooked. I liked how it was cooked, the best flavor, and what I just had to do is add a little bit of chili also, and it was actually the best which I could actually try, and the fufu was really very well made. And all this for 2,000 Congolese francs, which at that time was exactly $1. Isn't that nice? That afternoon of the same day, the first strange thing which I ate here is that it was a rat. Okay, I've done a video before on the full process of how we made this rat, but to make it simple, we just had to buy it from the market, fry and eat with my friends who were along with me, and it was actually kind of cool. I kind of liked it. And Mamboa, 19 October 2021. This is again in the east of the Democratic Republic of Congo, in Kivu again. Here in my village hotel, for breakfast, we had fufu with a meat of something which I'm not going to say what meat was it, and some pineapples. But I swear to God, that meat was the most perfect meat which I could ever try. It was so delicious. So I guess by now you can see that fufu, it's mostly consumed in the east of the Democratic Republic of Congo, and I think, actually I know, in most African countries, most people are usually used to fufu or to something else much similar to fufu. In cassava, pounded yam, corn, anything which can actually be made in something which is almost like fufu, we mostly eat such stuff. So thank you so much for being here, and catch you next time.